of 2. So if this was a list, it would just forget about the record names. Just think of the actual values. That's what a list would be. Just Ford Mustang 1964. And if we change the record value for year in a list, we would just say this dictionary and then 2, and then it would be 2018. Because it's a dictionary, we look at the record with the name year and we assign it a new value, 2018. So instead of the classic Ford Mustang, it would be the new one that was released 2 years ago. So anyway, we can print all the key names. Sorry. Okay, so just to track back a bit, I'm talking about records. The correct terminology is keys. So that would be key entry, and that would be the value of that key with a name brand. Okay, so that's using the right terminology, and let's stick to that from now on. So if you want to print all the key names, so just brand, model, and year, you would use X in this dictionary, okay? And if you want to print the values of the keys, you would do the lookup of X in this dictionary. So be very careful and look very closely at what's being done here. So this prints just the keys in this dictionary. This does the lookup for the specific keys in this dictionary with X, okay? So it's very similar to lists, just with the added feature of keys extra. So let's go to show more functionality here. Okay, so dictionaries have a few standard system functions, one of which is values. So you can print the values of the keys just using the values function. So if you print this dictionary dot values, it will give you the full list of all the values that are stored in that dictionary. This for loops through, and it will give you Ford Mustang 1964. Well, 2018, because we changed the value of the year.